Hey guys, Mike here again with Cashback Realty, and today we're going to talk about the reasons you need representation with a realtor if you're looking for new construction. Come on, let's go check out some models.
Don't get you, boy. I'm beating my best, I know. Feeling the buzz, living my life. Dancing, let's make some noise.
It's important to keep in mind that builders already factor in commission payment to buyer's agents. They already expect you to have someone representing you on the buyer side. Therefore, commission payments are factored in for the representative of the buyer. So take advantage of that. Having a representative, someone who is going to negotiate in your best interest, doesn't cost you anything. So that is reason number one that you want to have a buyer's agent, a realtor representing your best interest when you go to purchase a new construction home. Another factor to keep in mind is when it comes to packages and upgrades on new construction homes. The choices can be daunting, especially if you've never done it before. But in some instances, you'll find that doing it aftermarket can be less expensive. For example, when I built my new construction home up in Port St. Lucie about 20 years ago, I had them leave everything out. The kitchen appliances, certain of the moldings, even the flooring. Yes, I did not have the builder put flooring in my home because I knew I wanted marble and I'd be able to get that for a less expensive price. I had a contractor come up and install marble flooring. I had the stainless steel appliances put in, granite countertops, etc. So I'm not saying you should go to that extreme, but that's just an example of some of the items that you may be able to get at a lesser price if you do it aftermarket. So having someone to represent you will help give you guidance in that area. Reason number three that you want representation from your own buyer's agent is the sales rep at a construction site does not represent you. They work for the builder. And this is not an indictment whatsoever on sales rep at new construction sites. I mean, they're usually very professional. They're usually very nice. They show you around. But at the same time, it's important to remember they are not your sales rep. They represent the builder. And this is, I mean, when it comes to new construction homes, there's excitement in the air and people are, really anxious to get into their new home and they feel great about it. And they forget that the person showing you the models, taking you through all the paperwork and, giving you the packages and upgrades that are available on the property is there to protect the interest of the builder, not you. And reason number four, the earnest money requirement when building a newer home is usually a little bit more than it is for if you were purchasing an existing home, right? So you might find that they'll require anywhere between 5 or even 10% down in some cases, depending on the builder. Now, to be fair, builders will sometimes offer concessions. However, they may require that you go with their in-house lender. This may or may not benefit you. Having the guidance of an experienced real estate broker when purchasing new construction is critical. All right, guys, and one last thing. New doesn't equal perfect. All right, if you're buying a home, new construction, chances are after you finish building the house, moving in, you're gonna need to do repairs, right? New doesn't equal perfect, meaning there might be something wrong in your kitchen. There might be, a kitchen cabinet that needs to be repaired or replaced. There might be something going on with the flooring that you might need to speak to the builder about after you've moved into the property. So that's another reason that you should have a representative looking out for your best interest that can communicate with the builder, communicate with the GC, the general contractor, to make sure that you're satisfied even after the purchase has been completed, even after you've moved into the property. And that's just another reason why you need representation, even if you're buying a new construction home. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you found value in it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.